Hello students, today in chapter rational number, first I will teach you how to represent rational numbers on number line with the help of few examples. So first I will take the example number 1. Represent 2 by 3 on number line. So student, first we will learn how to represent rational number on number line. So given rational number is 2 by 3. Look at this rational number. This rational number is a proper fraction. In this rational number, the value of denominator is more than the value of numerator. So first of all, we will learn how to represent proper fraction rational number on number line. First, we draw a line. Because this number is a positive number, so this number we will represent on the right side of the 0. So first of all 2 by 3. Let's see where 2 by 3 lie. Because the value of denominator is more than numerator, so this number is less than 1 but greater than 0. That means this number lies between 0 and 1. So we will mark here 1. Now denominator is 3, so we divide 0 and 1, this portion, into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now look at the numerator. The numerator is 2, so we will start from 0. 1, 2. So this point represents the rational number 2 by 3. Student, I hope you understand the example. Now I will take one more example. Now represent 5 by 2 on number line. This time we have taken the improper fraction because the value of numerator is more than the value of denominator. So look at the solution. Given rational number is 5 by 2. So we will just draw a number line. We will put 0 here because this number is a positive number. So this number lie on the right side of the 0. So look at 5 by 2. If we divide 5 by 2, we get 2 whole 1 by 2. That means 2 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is less than 1. That means this number lie between 2 and 3. Because this number is more than 2 but less than 3. So we will plot 1 here, then 2 and then 3. So 5 by 2 lies between 2 and 3. Now from the start, we will start 0, 1, 2 here. Now we will represent 1 by 2. We divide 2 and 3 into 2 parts. 1, 2. So numerator is 1. So we will start from 2, that is 1. So this point represents 5 by 2. Student, now I will take one more example. Represent minus 7 by 3 on number line. This time I have taken the negative rational number. So just you will see that how to represent a negative rational number on number line. Solution is, student, given rational number this time is minus 7 by 3. So first we will draw a number line. Because the given number is negative rational number, so this number lie on the left side of the 0. So we will mark 0 here. Now minus 7 by 3. Just first we will check that where this number lie on the left side of the 0. That means minus 7 by 3 means minus 2 whole 1 by 3. That means minus 2 plus minus 1 by 3. So we will make here minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. So this rational number lie between minus 2 and minus 3. So we will start from 0 towards left, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Now look at this number, that is minus 1 by 3. So denominator is 3. We divide this portion into 3 equal parts. 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, we have 3 equal parts. Now look at the numerator, we have 1. So we will start from minus 2. So 1. So this point will represent minus 7 by 3. So student, we have seen that how to represent minus rational number on number line. Now student, we will learn that how to insert rational numbers between two given rational numbers. We will take one more example. The example is insert 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now student, we have to insert 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. Now look at the solution. Students, we all know that we can insert infinite rational numbers between two rational numbers. But in this question, we have a given condition is that we have to put only 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So, given rational numbers are 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So first we take the LCM of the denominator, that is 3 and 5, that is equal to 15. So our first priority is that we will make both the denominators same. So first rational number is 2 by 3. We will multiply both numerator and denominator by 5 to make denominator 15, that is 10 upon 15. And the second rational number is 4 by 5. So we multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3, that is equal to 12 upon 15. Now in both the rational number, denominators are same. Now look at the numerator. We have first numerator 10 and second is 12. So we can insert only one rational number between these two. But in question, we have to insert 5 rational numbers between these two. So what we will do? We will multiply both the rational number by same number so that the denominator will be same and the difference of the numerator is more than 5. So our first is 10 by 15. So we will multiply it by 10. That is 100 upon 150, and second is 12 by 15. So we will multiply it by 10 also, that is equal to 120 upon 150. Now student, we have the same denominator. Now look at the numerators. We have one numerator 100 and second is 120. Now we can put 19 rational numbers in between these two rational numbers from 101 to 119. So therefore 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 are, so we can start from 101. We will select any 5 rational numbers. 101 upon 150, you can take 104 upon 150, 111 upon 150, 113 upon 150 and 117 upon 150. Now student, I will take one more example. Insert 5 rational numbers between minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. Now look at the solution. Given rational numbers are minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. Now student, we will follow the same procedure. This time we have the different rational number, but the procedure will be same. So first we take LCM of the denominator of both the rational number 3, 4, that is equal to 12. So our first priority is to make both the denominators same. So minus 2 by 3. We will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 4, that is equal to minus 8 upon 12. and the second rational number is 1 by 4. We multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. That is equal to 3 by 2. Now look at both the rational numbers. We have the same denominator and the difference of the numerator is more than 5. Just like minus 8 and 3. We can insert minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can insert 10 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. So therefore 5 rational numbers between minus 2 by 3 and 1 by 4 are, so you can choose any 5 numbers. Suppose minus 7 upon 12, minus 5 upon 12, minus 3 upon 12, 1 upon 12 and 2 upon 12. Now student, I hope whatever you have been taught today, you must have understood well. Thank you and take care. See you again with a new topic.